Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Friday, April 23rd, and the time is around 1:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to take a look at the chart of the pound Australian dollars, pound Aussie. This is a 45 minutes chart here. We can see the pair ended with X over here, so that means currently we are going up within the with Y, right? So this is corrective because WXY is a corrective structure, right? So the rally here can be considered as part of a corrective structure, and we can see within the with Y currently this is now unfolding, and the first leg here is in a 5 waves, 1 2 3 4 5 diagonal. All right, you can have an overlap in a diagonal, 1 2 3 4 5, and then now looking to complete with P pullback. All right, with P pullback already proposed completed here, and now getting ready for the next leg higher, right? So you can see if you draw a trend line here, it has already broken above that trend line, suggesting this cycle likely is over. So then as long as we stay above the P, we could see another leg higher eventually to go above A. Alright, now overall though, I would say overall the pair itself is kind of a little bit choppy overall, right? And talking about the main trend of the pair, the pound Aussie, if we take a look at the daily chart, now you can see clearly from March this has been impulsively going down. You can see it's clearly 5 ways down here, right? Whereas since we bottom in January this year, you can see in the rally there, the rally doesn't look impulsive so far. You can see right here, right? This is not like a 5 waves here. If you measure the extension, this is only, it's not even reaching the 100%. So it's very hard to call this like a 1 2 3 4 5, for example, right? This 3 is so short if you call it like that. So this is better counted as a corrective 3 swing, in my opinion, from this low to this high. Okay, and you can see that it has broken below this trend line. So this is your connector here. So what you have then is a 3 swing up from here to here, and then you got a connector, you got a pullback. So now the question is, are we actually going to, we got trapped, right? We got trapped between this high and this low. We need to break above here to suggest, okay, it will extend higher, and we need to break below here to suggest this correction here is over, because the trend seems to be still bearish, impulsively bearish, and then the rally also seems to be corrective. So these 3 swings could have been the entire correction of this move and then go down. So anyhow, you need to break above here, technically speaking, to really confirm we will get further correction higher. Now if you take a look here at the 1 hour chart, this is labeled as an X. So that's your X here. So we can sort of conclude here that if this is the X, this has to be your W. So then we're talking about the rally from January 2021. That rally can become a bigger WXY. Now if so, then we could technically go all the way here to the next equal leg in the Y, right? But again, until we break above this previous peak, technically you don't have the confirmation, right? You don't have the confirmation yet. So for now, the rally looks to be in like a 5 waves with in a diagonal structure, and as long as we stay above here, therefore this X here, we could see further upside. A break above the A, if that can happen, is going to increase this view validate this view a little bit better, right? If we break above the A, then okay, then that means we will be extending higher to reach the ABC equal leg. Then most likely we will be able to break above here and then extend to the upside if that's the case. All right, so that's the idea in the pound Aussie. So as long as we stay above this 177.40, we could see another leg higher. Now this cycle looks to be over now because it breaks above this channel. So even we can expect this to stay above the P as well, and then it can continue to extend higher. All right. So if you like for the updates on the Forex commodities indices, we do have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice weekend, everyone.